Great. Well, thank you. You know, Capital Factory is the center of gravity for entrepreneurs in Texas, and Texas is the #1 state for startups in the US. Thousands of entrepreneurs, programmers, and designers gather day and night in person and online for meetups, classes, and co-working. And with boots on the ground in Austin, Dallas, and Houston, we meet the best entrepreneurs in Texas and introduce them to their first investors, employees, mentors, and customers. According to PitchBook, Capital Factory has been the most active early stage investor in Texas since 2010. Now, we've always had strong relationships with universities to do that, but UT Dallas is the first member of the Capital Factory Innovation Council, which includes big companies like Amazon Web Services, Baker Botts, Deloitte, IBM, and Microsoft. And Microsoft, Capital Factory already had deep ties to UTD. Brian Chambers, he started at UTD, but now he's at Capital Factory too. And Steve G started at Capital Factory, but now he's at UTD. And I think you'd be hard pressed to find any investor who's co-invested in more deals with the UTD seed fund than we have. Companies like ShearShare, Tanky, Callbox, and Zabo. We have shared values and culture around STEM and diversity and inclusion, making UT Dallas an ideal partner to work with as we continue to engage in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and bringing what they're doing downtown. So we're excited to learn from UTD, to learn about the new and emerging technologies they're developing there, and to help bridge the amazing talent pipeline at UTD into the business community, into the Texas startup and venture ecosystem. And so with that, I'm going to hand it off to Joe. But Joe, we need to get you some startup swag. You're dressed like university professor. Let me give you a startup T-shirt to put on while you're talking here. Hold on.
Okay, I'll see when I reach it. Okay. Yeah, thanks, Josh. Wow. Well, you know, it's the university established a strategic plan the last few years, and one element is to advance research, and the other is to become an economic engine for the region. We see Capital Factory as being an essential partner for being able to realize that strategic goal. It's evident that Capital Factory shares our values. You hit on a number of those amazing points in terms of diversity and inclusion and STEM. It's the fact, though, that you have the best mentor and investor network in Texas, and it's a model not only for the surrounding area, but for the country and the world. You know, we see our engagement with Capital Factory to be a critical enabler for successfully commercializing all sorts of innovations that are developed through university research, as well as launching new startups that come out of the university ecosystem. So in the future, you know, the downtown location is essential. It fits our name. We are the University of Texas at Dallas, and being able to have access to Capital Factory downtown and have a presence there is going to make all sorts of university programs like UT Design, as well as our Institute for Innovation and Entrepreneurship, perhaps a Center for Applied Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, all sorts of different organizations within the university to have a presence downtown to engage. We're really excited, Josh, and I'm very proud to be wearing this T-shirt today. Thanks a lot.
You're looking good. You're looking good. With the power, when we bring together the amazing talent and technologies of UTD with the incredible innovation of the entrepreneurs in Texas, I don't know. I think there's nothing we can't do. Give me a high five.
Right.
Boom.